Okay, so welcome back to my daily backtest. I mean, okay, so welcome back to my daily backtest. I mean, okay, so welcome back to weekly outlook. See, so I think we're done with Monday here. Yeah, we traded Monday. I think 1 hour. Yeah, so I think we traded Tuesday already here. Well, yeah, the short. Anyway, I'm not sure if I saved that, but I said so Tuesday trade full with 430 GBP. No trade in line. I think the trade in line. Can trade, but be careful with 10 a.m. Red. So FOMC statement can trade LO, but be careful with 430 and yes. No trade NY. There's the Friday, no trade. Friday, no trade. LO can trade 9 to 10 yen. Okay. So, I was actually finished trading Wednesday, but let's see. Let's reset my expectations here. Hmm. Yeah, okay. So this is this week's cover. I think we're going to expand more. Yeah, I think we're going to go over here. Seems like we're not respecting this weekly FPG. Anyway, so we are bearish here weekly. Daily, also bearish. We have this nice close. Oh, it's inside. Yeah, I think it's still bearish here inside close. But let's see here. Bearish retracing to the survey gap today. Here we don't have fair value gap, so I think we're going higher here. Let's see. Yeah, I think bullish. Bullish bias here. Same here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, minus 70 here. That wasn't validated already. It was destroyed. Anyway, so I think bearish here for our tip for clarity here. Yeah, bullish. Bearish. Well, having SMT here again. It's not confirmed yet. Uh, 1 hour. I think I traded this one. 3 a.m. 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, this one. See. So it stopped out here now. I already saw this candle. Stops here. I think this is C2 entry. Let's see. 30 minutes. Is it entry? Yeah, C2, C2 entry. Then I'll wait for C3 here. Um, if I did wait for C3, let's see. Yeah, if I waited for C3, it would still be good entry. Entry here, here. Yeah, would have been magnificent entry. It would still be a win. I think I'll wait more on C3 going forward, especially what happened to my live trading last week, or should I say this week? But anyway, let's see. This is a very good trade. A plus aligns everything, order flow daily. Yeah, so I think we're going to have a 2, 3, 4 this kind of four. Could have another expansion here. Let's see. Yeah, I think we will go have that level. Think about the reach here. Level 4. Then consolidate. Then probably retrace during New York. Or yeah. Let's see. So solid 430. That's the GBP. PMI. So yeah, it really ripped there. I'm just going to take note of this one. Sorry about that. I'm just uh journaling this one. May 1 18. This is the BMI. So like I said, we're going to reach here before per second. And reach here, increase or consolidate and continue lower. So I think. Yeah, so reach that level. Not sure if we reach here. So this was a daily FPG here. Let's see what's so no FPG. So there's an FPG here. So there's an F. We're inside already with the FPG. But let's see. Okay. We reacted to that level. So the question is, are we going to take this as reversal? Of course not. It's already 5 a.m. I know there's a 5 to 6 setup that's happening, so I don't want. Yeah, let's have a relax. I don't want to trade. Unless there's an SMT. I don't use one. I would have traded that. So like I said on our checklist, let's see. SMT, reversal for online SMT. SMT with LTF says there. Yeah, I also need to be clear about our time. So let's see. Anyway, let's continue. So the time that I would trade next year is 7. Okay, so it seems like we're having an SMT here. We already have it here. But it's not time. No, it's time. Let's see. Uh-oh. Revenue Tuesday. Where's the traded one? Okay, that's a nice SMT there. See if I have a confirmation number. Okay, so we have an OB here already. But this is so we need to look for ATM reversal, right? We already have a CISD here. I would say this is a breaking market structure. Let's see here. This is the low. So the low doesn't matter. That's higher time frame. Let's see. Yeah, so we have a lot of liquidity here. Same here. A lot of liquidity. We have S&P, we have confirmation. Let's see. Um, yeah, let's wait for C3 CISD. Yeah. You would gotten wrecked there. I'm sorry, guys. So, I didn't expect there was a big moment here, but mm, yeah. So no SLP. Mm. So no SMT here. Good to see the bundle. See if we can find a C3 closer. Because it might just rip off. Okay. Okay. So if it goes above here, we could have enter here. Okay, that's quite low. We should have target here. So um, I would really want to take a third here, but I was getting disciplined. Seven feet. Archery. Being disciplined is good. No, no, that's not empty. It was just a manipulation. Excuse me. The setup should be, since we are bearish, right? Well, for bearish. Excuse me. So this was a C2 candle inside the LB here. Could have traded this for 9 a.m. Yeah, so this would be the C9. I mean ah the NY setup that we've been waiting for. Kokoda stops here. Just traded it out, so why did I look for a long here? Let's see if it can give us a win here for 2R. It's a continuation trade. The thing here is we don't have really a target here. Uh, and we're inside this daily fair value gap. Yeah, we're already fully filled there. It's in the 4 hour. Oh, so this is a very big gap. I think we're going to continue over here. So 2R is ideal. I did not take that trade. But yeah, so it's a win again. So my past trading strategy was a reversal. That's why I tend to look at reversals very um I tend to look for reversals anyways, but if you see this was a good liquidity strip for this liquidity and then go lower, I think maybe not QR. There's a 10 areas. It didn't even make anything at all. Yeah, QR trade. Anyway, I will not journal this anymore because I will only trade what I see early on. I don't want to take a trade on the hindsight things. Yeah, so I think we have an S&P here actually, but we're looking on the downside and we're blindsided that there's an S&P here. Yeah, there's other one. Kasuka na salad. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Tinlo ala ni Loning. Ang ka-good girl ni Loning. You know? And then, yeah.
Kaya si Van Kathleen, kami ni Jiboy, kaya si Edge sa Manila, nasama nila sa nag-friend. Sa Batyara, ano ko to sa Cafe Mansi. Naglakad sila ni Manang. Tinag-chat si Junina nga. Dili na lang kami kadto sa balay kay wala sa mga kwarta. Si Abi ko ya nga dito na lang sila makadto. Tinagkulit ko di. Tapos nag-chat si Kathleen sa kanya pakadto na sila kung sa Cafe Mansi.
Yeah.
Habang ko lang nagkulit ako. Di ba balik lang ako. Balik naman ko. Eh, tinuwa lang ko sila.
Yeah, so I didn't notice the S&P was too fixated on the reversal. I think it's here. Yeah, this equal. Yeah. Okay, so we're 30 minutes and we're still on Tuesday. Sorry guys, I'll just pick this up. What's the session? Daily. See the daily close. So Wednesday is. I think this is. We're going to avoid NY because of the FOMC, but I think we can trade London here. Just be careful of this PMI again. Because this PMI will be the number. See. So still bearish close, I would say we could have a retracement here, but I don't think so. I think we're going to disrespect it. I mean, we already did disrespect it. I think this is the next draw here, you know. Um,
Tapos, gutom ka? You sure?
yeah, so I think the next draw is here, the equal highs to the FVG. Yeah, so let's see what the let's say it's the here. Uh, they actually could have call this expected this to be a C2. I'm just not comfortable taking this kind of trade. But yeah, this is a C2 already. We have a CSD here, so I think we're going down here or here. I mean, if we try to look at here, let's say, I'll take this trade. I know I said I won't be taking hindsight trade, but let's see. It's not a win yet, so we got that we can straight. Well, the sad thing here, we could retrace here, continue lower. But since our overall bias is bearish, I think we could take this trade as long as there's a C3. C3 will save my career. My God. Yeah. We can also note that we have an SMT here, but it's not active already. Yeah. Yeah. This eye, this eye, and this eye. Yeah. Okay, that's a nice. That's a nice one. The, okay, so since the Geo already ripped off, I think it's best to put a probably a stop here. Price shall stop, I think. Then I think we actually don't have a target. So we might break even at this here. But that's 1 hour only though. I think I'll just let the trade play. I'll just put another note here. Goal is to make this mechanical as possible. The goal for the lower time frame is to make it mechanical as much as possible. The higher time frame can be discretionary. So yeah, let's see. So sell stop here. If we get traded lower, I would take that trade. Yeah, so this is target. Mirror claw. That's not a good target for me. Let's see. Okay, so this is so with daily bias. With the daily OF is here too. We have the order flow is bearish, right? Yeah, I think it's bearish. I mean, it is bearish, right? And close below this IFBG, I would consider that bearish already. I mean, not being biased, but we also have step here, CISD here. So yeah, H1, OF. Um, so this is a C2, C3, LTF, SMT, LTF, ITH, 1, 2, 3. That makes sense. I didn't forget one thing. The target. So I think target would be B minus. I mean, it's a session low, but it's not for me that good of a target. But we'll see. What? Okay, sorry. I think it should be better also to take that 30-minute time frame. Go back. Okay, that's sad. I think it's still going down though. Oh, I'm wrong. I don't know what happened here though. I don't even know the news. Just contemplating why I lost here, but yeah, it's okay. It's part of the game. I believe it was still a good setup, although we don't have the target. That's the only thing that mm, felt off. But here, so if it goes like this here, this one, anyway, let's take that. Doesn't matter. I think we have a bearish, a bullish OF here already, so that indicates enough. What the fuck is happening here? Just doesn't make sense. Oh my god, what's happening here? Is it the big large move? No, it was an incremental move. This was huge though. Seems like everyone is simply here hidden in plain sight. I think it was confirmed by 15 minutes. I'm not sure. Not sure. Not sure. I was just thinking, how would I have got trade? Anyway, remember the order flow is already bullish here. Yeah, so we have a low peppermint here. Let's see if we could. Okay. This is kind of like low about target here. 2.4 R, 2.3. Okay, if I really should take this straight. This doesn't make sense with the. You know what? Let's not take this straight. Yeah, it just doesn't make sense. Okay, let's skip this Wednesday because it's going to be a focus week. Let's see the close. So Thursday, still be careful with the. Yeah, but you can trade it. You can trade it for the 430. Mm, I think we for this 830 also on this. Let's see. So before 430, we'll get out. Um, so the candle still bearish. Uh, there's a high possibility that we're going to consolidate here to the big expansion. I also hit the KW. So let's see if we can frame some shorts here. So we hit a sort of pretty significant level. I think we're going bullish here. So fully filled this fade. Let's see if we could find some long here to continue here, or maybe we'll just consolidate. So need a good price action here. I'm framing long here, right? Let's see. Yeah, so the candle was bearish. Okay, it's time to look for the C20. Oh, so did it give us an entry? This is a good setup. Okay, I think this would hold. Save a bad target here. We make a CSD here. Actually, we already did. But this is already a C3, C4, C5 already. I don't take this. Yeah. Hmm. Huh? Are you going to red? Anong motor? Tangkang bole. Mapagabi ka gid dahil.
Wala man akong gusto kay Mansi.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So maybe I'll start taking trades in the daily square, so we should not take that trade because it just reached a pretty significant level, I would say. Excuse me. Yeah, so we could frame shorts here. Like it happened here. I'm not sure why. Can't set up. Let's see. Because it already happened and it's quite choppy here. Uh, so yeah, Thursday. This is. Let's see if we can see fine trade here anyway. So yeah, so we would consider here hinging here. Would take trades below here. This is not our setup. So if we can find a C2 here, we could trade it. Same here. If you remember, we are. That's why. That is why they are struggling here because we're still inside of this range. So it's like 4 hours really important time frame. Starting to notice it. We already have a C2 here. Here. Yeah, I just didn't take that much. We would be in stock out though. So this time, yes, I think. Yeah, so Tenacious, they took the data highs here and then made the changes in delivery. So I think we could take in this trade. Yeah, to this one. Let's see, let's see. So sorry guys, I was not. So, so this is a C3, 10 a.m. So 10:30. Let's see if you guys find 10:30 and 3. That's kind of far. And how good is this because though? I was still stopped out. So yeah, I think it's better to avoid this day because it really does hold the significance. You really need to follow your rule here. Okay, so let's see. Friday, FOMC, NFP day. Let's see if we can find something there. But it's still bearish though. Skip it. Skip it. Let's see the daily close. Okay. Just skip this too. Not a very clean press action. If we have a good C2 here. Very good pistols. But didn't do it. Yeah, I think it did. Oh, why did it skip session entirely? I think this should be 7 a.m. Alright. Could we enter there? It would have been still losing here no matter what. Okay, so that concludes the six first action, I think. So the trades. Oh, so this was a good week actually. Yeah, already have like six trades here. And if we try to force it, we would have not sure the one data if it's all clear trades. Let's see. Yeah, so Monday was all short. See if we did follow that. No, we didn't follow the daily candle actually here. Although the order closed in bearish here. We follow that. Yeah, so this was a simple C2 SFT, I guess. We also have a chain state delivery here prior to that. So I think this is a good trade. Yeah, I guess daily bias, coverage. Yeah, this was the bullish. Let's see. Next one is I think I just noted that we were inside there for value, but no, it's not anymore. We have a change of order flow there. Let's see. A plus target. Yeah, here the A plus target. Engineered liquidity. Yeah, so it really is a good trade. And I miss one trade here. Yeah, so this is a missed trade. But it's Oh, so this was a C2, but the entry is in C4 actually. So this one, and this is a winning trade. Then this one, still short. Yeah, B plus B master get. Here when I traded here, I think I'm just trading here no matter what. Yeah, that's it, guys. Stop the stream. Thank you for watching.